guys, so I just opened my new birthday package. 1 second. And this is what I've gotten so far. I got a Calvin Johnson jersey. And then I got the 2 cards that I'm about to open right now. Save this one. Oopsies, dropped my Valentine's. But I'll open the thick one last. Right? Oh, I see a 19 gift card. Not in the thing, but. So. Oh, I just want to thank you guys for ever coming to my birthday. So, yeah. Oh, nice. It's thick. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Check that out. $50 in iTunes. I'll get a bundle posted for you guys on Madden Mobile pretty soon as I can. Hopefully there's another 51 in there. Oh, gosh. I'll just get that 12,000 cash. Oh, my. All right. Oh, my God. All right. Dear Luke, how could you possibly be any cooler? Happy birthday, cool one. All right, here's what they wrote. Have an amazing birthday. You're the best basketball player I've ever known. Love, Lennon and Megan. Lennon's my new cousin. Well, they're engaged to my cousin, so. All right. Yeah, I took a gift card. So far, everything that I've gotten, total is like, oh, nice. It's like $70. Even more, probably. Please, 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 please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. $80 total? That's just, oh my God. It's $80 total, and then another 15. $95 in iTunes, man. Alright, this one's a little bit easier to read. Dear Luke, have yourself your happiest birthday ever. Now they wrote, Happy birthday, Luke. May your wishes come true and have the best birthday ever. Grandma and Grandpa. Okay. So alright guys, I got $95 in iTunes and a Calvin Johnson jersey. So yeah, I'm so happy right now.